Welcome to Iron Hops, the channel where we combine our passion for CNC plasma cutting and beer. In today's video, we'll be making an item that was ordered on our Etsy shop, also called Iron Hops. So grab a cold one, sit back, and enjoy. So this customer requested that I rust the order and then I finish it with a clear coat. So I'm going to use this rust solution that I mixed up. I'll make a video on this later. It's vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and salt. And you just spray it on, let it sit. I wipe it down to make sure that there's no like high spot, like the rust gets kind of dusty. And if you wipe it down, it kind of keeps the rust against the metal and then allows the clear coat to adhere better to the metal and hold in that rust so it doesn't leak through and create like a rust dust, if you will. So here we go. As you can see, it's starting to rust already. This is just, you wait, spray on, wipe it down, wait a little bit, spray on, wipe it down, wait a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna leave this sit overnight and dry up, and then we'll look at it again tomorrow morning, and then we'll put the clear coat on it to seal in that rust, and then we'll see what the finished product looks like before we ship it out.